Students, yesterday we did a direct common tangent, correct? Now let us do today transverse common tangent. Yesterday we did direct common tangent. Today let us do transverse common tangent and two more problems which are very important for 7 mark in circles. With that, your circles long answers will be done. So today we'll finish off circles long answers and we'll start circles 4 marks. Few 4 marks I will teach you where exam point of view it is important. Okay, like length of the chord or suppose chord is given some condition we'll ask, or tangent equation or tangent equation or normal equation, like that. Different sums are there, no? Like 4 marks. Let us do few 4 marks after doing this 7. And your 7 marks has been done. First exercise, passing through the circle, passing through 3 points already we did. First exercise 7 mark is done. Concyclic and all those. And here also touching circles we did yesterday. Yesterday I did direct common tangents. Now let us do the transverse common tangent. Find the transverse common tangents. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Transverse common tangent, when it will exist, if they are apart from each other, these are your transverse common tangent. And here this is circle C, center C1, center C2. If I join them, this is a point of intersection of transverse common tangent. So now P divides C1, C2 internal. For direct common tangents, the point P divides C1, C2 externally, we say, no? That is external center of similitude. Now here it is internal center of similitude. Is it clear? So now see the solution. So given equation of the circles S equivalent to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28. S dash x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4. From here you calculate C1, 2, 5, R1, 4 plus 25 minus 28. That is 29 minus 28. 1. C2, 2g is 4. Compare it with standard equation. So minus 2, 3. R2, 4 plus 9 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. I got R2 also. Next, what we have to do? For transverse common tangent to exist, your circle should be apart from each other. In C1, C2 must be greater than R1 plus R2. Is it clear? So let us do first C1, C2. C1, C2 is equal to under root of distance formula. Under root of 2 minus into minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. That is 4 square plus 2 square, 16 plus 4, root 20. Now what is R1 plus R2? Your R1 plus R2. What was R1? 1 plus 3. Total it is 4, which is root 16. So therefore, C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus, that is root 20 is greater than root 16. That is fixed. That we showed it. Now let P be the internal similitude of, let P be the internal center of similitude. Sorry. Let P be the internal center of similitude which divides C1 and C2 internally in the ratio M is to N, R1 is to R2. What is that R1 is to R2? 1 is to 3. Correct, no? In yesterday, direct common tangents, we did external center of similitude. And that P divides C1, C2 externally in direct common tangents. And for transverse common tangents, internally. I showed you the figure also just now, right? So this one. Yesterday we did this, correct, no? Yesterday we did this part. So this was your external center of similitude, okay? Anyway, now we got the internal section formula. So P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Internal section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that you are going to get it as 2 plus minus 2 plus 6 by 4 comma 3 plus 15 by 4. This is 4 by 4 comma 18 by 4. 18 by 4, which is nothing but 1 comma 9 by 2. Again, here I am drawing the figure. You can have a look. So this is your internal center of similitude. This point I got it as 1 comma 9 by 2. Now I know the point. Let m be the slope of the required tangent. Same like what we did for direct common tangents yesterday. Right? Now I know the point. Let m be the slope. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Then, but this is a tangent to the circle, either first circle or second circle, your wish. So R equal to D condition. Is it clear? To get the value of m. And we are going to get 2m values. I hope you understood. Okay. Right. I'm going for next page. Now, equation of the tangent, that is transverse common tangent only. Tangent passing through 1 comma 9 by 2 point with slope m. With slope m is y minus y1 means 9 by 2. M into x minus 1. Okay. This simplify, that is 2y minus 9 equal to 2mx minus 1. That is 2mx minus 2y minus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. This is our tangent equation. But since it is a tangent, your R will be equal to D. Which R I am considering? First circle. First circle radius is what? 1. Perpendicular D means what? Perpendicular distance from center. Which center we are going to take? C1, that is 2 comma 5 to the tangent equation. Okay. Modulus, that is 2 to the 4m minus 10 minus 2m plus 9 by under root of x coefficient 2m square and minus 2 square is your y coefficient. Now simplify this properly. 1 is equal to, this is 2m minus 1 by under root of 4m square. This is 2m minus 1 by under root of 4m square plus 4. Right? Cross multiply and squaring on both sides. So under root of 4m square plus 4 equal to 2m minus 1. Squaring on both sides. 4m square plus 4 equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. Usually, okay, that is 4m square plus 4m, you bring it to this side, and 4m square minus 3. Usually people will cancel 4m square on both sides. Then you will go to only 1m. So instead of cancelling, you divide with m square. Is it clear? So divide with m square. When I divide with m square, what happens? Right? That is, here I am writing with different color, so that no need to change the board. Simplification I'm talking about. So 4 by m square is 4 plus this is 4 by m equal to again 4 plus this is 3 by m square. Is it clear? Now 3 by m square, 3 by m square, 4 both sides it gets cancelled, minus 4 by m equal to 0. I'm going to take 1 by m common. When I take 1 by m common, what I will be left out with? 3 by m minus 4 equal to 0. Means your 1 by m equal to 0 or 3 by m minus 4 equal to 0. Now 1 by m equal to 0 means m equal to 1 by 0 or 3 by m equal to 4, m equal to 3 by 4. See, I got two slopes. Usually directly we write m equal to infinity, no? That infinity is nothing but 1 by 0. I hope you understood the way we did. Is it clear? I just don't want to change the board so that you can continuously, you can see your calculation part. See, squaring on both sides, this is that. Usually people will cancel 4m square. If you cancel also, okay. But without cancellation, 4m square, keep it like that. Divide with m square. Then what I will be left out with 4 plus 4 by m equal to 4 plus 3 by m square. 4 now it gets cancelled. Now 3 by m square minus 4 by m equal to 0. Now 1 by m you take common. So 1 by m equal to 0 or 3 by m minus 4 equal to 0. From there you get m equal to 1 by 0, m equal to 3 by 4. Now substitute in your case 1. What is your case 1? Equation of tangent. What it was? Y minus 9 by 2 equal to m, no? M is nothing but 1 by 0, right? X minus 1. 1 by 0 means 0 equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0 is one of your equation. Next, case 2. Equation of tangent again. Y minus 9 by 2 equal to, what was your minus 3 by 4? X minus 1. Now cross multiplied. 4y minus 4 into 9 by 2 minus 3x plus 3, 2 1s are 2 2s are, okay? So 4y minus 18 minus 3x plus 3. 3x plus 4y minus 21. These are your transverse common tangents. These are your transverse common tangents. I hope you understood. And let us do one more problem. Yeah, it's not every time he asks, but important only. Same concept. Okay, I hope you understood here. You can have a look once. See this one. Ninth one. Find the equation of the circle which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Externally at 5, 5 with radius 5. With radius 5. With radius 5. What is this exactly? Find the equation of a circle. Let this is your circle, right? Which touches the other circle, which is touching the other circle externally is at what point? At 5, 5 point. With radius 5. So this radius is given as 5. Let this is your center C2. Okay. And this circle equation, I'm going to take it as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay. Now listen. So given equation of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20. Here center C1, let it be 1, 2, and radius r will be under root of 1 plus 4 minus into minus plus. That is root 25 is 5. Means the center here C1, what I got is 1, 2. Same radius. Means the point P, since it is same distance between C1, C2, the point P is the midpoint of C1, C2, since I got the ratio 5:5, that is 1:1. So point P is the mid. Now given radius R2, let it be 5. Since R1 is equal to R2, both are equal to 5. The point P 5, 5 divides C1 and C2 in the ratio 5:5 internally, because the circles are touching each other externally, which is nothing but 1:1 ratio. Therefore, which is nothing but 1:1 ratio. Therefore, the point P is the midpoint. Midpoint of C1 and C2. So midpoint I know 5, 5. Yeah, in previous board, here you make it noted, given R2 and let C2 be H, K. What is C2? H, K. Right. So therefore the point P is the midpoint of C1, C2. That is nothing but 5, 5 is equal to, is taking midpoint formula. That is 1 plus H by 2, 2 plus K by 2. Right? So that is 5 equal to 1 plus H by 2, 1 plus H equal to 10, which is 9. And K is 8. Therefore, C2, where H, K is 9, 8. Therefore, equation is x minus H whole square plus y minus K whole square equal to R square. What is R? 5 square. That is x square plus y square minus 18x minus 64y, right? Minus 16y plus 81 plus 64 minus 25 equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y. 81 plus 64 minus 25 is nothing but 120 equal to 0. So this is about long answers of circles. Is it clear, everybody? Right, very important long answers of circles. Now we'll do, for half an hour we'll do 4 marks, right? 2 marks we won't discuss right now anything. Last classes we'll do few 2 marks chapters where you can do easily. Okay. Now let us do few. These are about your all most of the long answers which are very important exam point of view. Already we discussed. So let us see few 4 marks questions in circles. Okay. Okay. कितने चाहिए? See for a few for 4 marks questions from circles. See, circles and integration should be your strength. Is it clear? Now show that x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Show that x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0, and find its point of contact. And find its point of contact. Now see here, suppose this is a circle, is asking whether it is touching or not. So whenever it is touching means your radius will be equal to d. That is, d is nothing but perpendicular distance. So let us check whether r equal to d or not, if at all it is touching, right? So now given equation of the circle, as x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14. Now when you start comparing with your standard equation, 2g is minus 3, 2f is 7, c is 14, g is minus 3 by 2, f is 7 by 2. Then center minus g minus f. It becomes plus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2. We got the center. Now what is the radius? Radius also you have to find first. That is under root of g square 9 by 4 plus f square 49 by 4. This is minus 14. R equal to, take LCM, 4 is your LCM here. 9 plus 49 minus 14 4s are 56. Okay. So that will give you what? 49 plus 9, 58. 49 plus 9, 58 minus 56 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by root 2. Okay, radius we got it as 1 by root 2. Now let us find what about d. Whether we have to check whether they are equal or not. D means what? Perpendicular distance. D is nothing but perpendicular distance of D is nothing but perpendicular distance from center. What was the center? It was 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the line. Right now you take it as a line only. Still we didn't show that it is a tangent. What is that line? X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So that is nothing but d equal to mod perpendicular distance from the point to the line means what? Instead of x, you will substitute your x coordinate. Instead of y, you will substitute the y coordinate. And that is nothing but 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by under root of x coefficient. So nothing but your distance formula. Perpendicular distance from x1, y1 to the line x plus py plus c. That is mod a as it is. Instead of x, you put y x1, y1 by c by under root of coefficient of x. That is a square plus b square. Okay. So in this case, the coefficient of x means its coefficient, not along with x. So d is equal to take LCM 3 minus 7 plus 2 by 2 whole divided by root 2. D equal to, see here, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 7 minus 2 by 2 by root 2. And because of modulus, see, therefore, your r equal to d, both are equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, your x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle. So in previous board, I drawn the figure and showed you. Yeah, now it is a tangent because r we got 1 by root 2, d also 1 by root 2. Okay, this is fine. Now what is asking? Point of contact. This is your point of contact where the line is touching. Where the line is touching the circle. This is your point of contact. Now, how to find the point of contact? See, I know the center. What is that center? It is 3 by 2, comma minus 7 by 2. Okay. Your point of contact is nothing but the point of contact. Let it be h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular from center. What was that center? It was 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the tangent x plus y plus 1. Why it is perpendicular? It will be always your radius is in a circle. If at all it is a tangent, radius will be always perpendicular to the tangent. Is it clear? That's why this becomes the foot of this perpendicular with respect to this line. That is the concept. Is it clear? What is that formula? H minus x1 by a equal to a minus y1 by b minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Is it clear? That will give you h minus 3 by 2 by 1. A minus into minus plus 7 by 2 by 1 minus of same 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by a square plus b square. This line your a is 1, b is also 1. Your a and b are nothing but x and y coefficients. Is it clear? Now h minus 3 by 2 equal to a plus 7 by 2 equal to, it's minus of, just now we did that simplification. That will give you what? Minus of, it complete simplification, it will give you plus 1 by 2. Once you equate it to plus 1 by 2 and k plus 7 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2, k equal to minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. H equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 by 2, which is 2. So the point of contact, which is nothing but your foot of the perpendicular. The point of contact is nothing but foot of the perpendicular. It was 2 comma minus 3. Very important kind of model. Is it clear? Next, one more important question. Let us do. Find the length of the chord. Total 3 to 4 sums are there based on length of the chord. Here I will do only one sum. Remaining sums you can do it. How I am doing, same as it is. You are going to do the length of the chord. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle. Intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. On the line I is equal to x minus 3. Once you have a look, everybody, see here, this is your circle, this is the chord. Chord means the line which intersects that circle at two different points. This is your center. If I drop a perpendicular, always this will be perpendicular, and this is the radius r. Right? Now is asking us to find this length. Means this will be x, means this will be also x. So for that, in order to find, what is the formula? 2 into under root of r square minus d square. So that is your length of the chord given equation of the circle. What is that given equation of the circle? X square plus y square, x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22. Same. I want r. In order to find d, we want center also. Yes or no? This is your d. Perpendicular distance from the center onto the line. See, when r is equal to d, then that becomes a tangent. If r is greater than d, then that becomes a chord. D means this much only the distance is. Radius means from here. Radius means from here to here, no? From this point to onto the circle. So definitely r is greater than d. So that's why it becomes a chord, and that length of the chord we are going to find. So here, directly I am writing the center. Plus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Radius r under root of 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. G square plus f square minus into minus plus 22. Total LCM is 4. 1 plus 9 plus 88. 9 plus 1, 10. Total 98 by 4. 88 plus 1. 88, 9 plus 1, 10. Total 98 by 4. So radius r is equal to under root of, it goes no, 49 by 2. Means r is 7 by root 2. I got r. Okay, we got r. But according to the length of the chord, what is the formula? 2 into under root of r square minus d square. Still we are going to find d. Is it clear? D is nothing but same. Perpendicular distance from center. What was the center? It was perpendicular distance from the center 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the chord equation. What is that chord equation? See, chord equation is given as y equal to x minus 3, but I am going to take it as in the form of ax plus by plus c, x minus y minus 3. Is it clear? It is given in the form of y is equal to x minus 3. So d equal to mod, instead of x, x1, instead of y, y1, minus into minus plus. Be careful with minus and plus substitutions. If you do something wrong, and plus and minus, you are going to get the wrong answers. Is it clear? Minus 3 by, it's under root of 1 square plus minus 1 square. Take LCM 1 plus 3 minus 6 by 2 divided by it is root 2. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 6, minus 2. 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 2. Because of modulus, the minus is gone. Now length of the chord. Length of the chord is 2 into under, write the formula always. 2 into under root of, what was R? Your R was 7 by root 2. But what we want, R square means 49 by 2 minus D square, it is 1 by 2. 2 into under root of 49 minus 1 is 48. 20 2 root 24. 2 into 24, still what I can write? 6 fours are. Then bring this 4 outside. Four six are no. So 2 outside. 2 into 2 root 6. 4 root 6. Yeah. So length of the chord, totally you are having 3 to 4 sums. So this is how you are going to get it. See here, in this problem, he was asked, circle equation was given, line equation was given, and he was asking us to find the length of the chord. Now in next sum, length of the chord will be given, radius will be given, and you are going to find the center so that we can find the, center will be given, radius you are going to find, and we are going to find the circle equation. The difference between this sum, the previous sum, and here is, in this case, circle is given, line is given, we are finding length of the chord. Now in the question which I am going to discuss now, the length of the chord is given. So see the question. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center. See, center is given. Minus 2 comma 3. And cutting a chord of length. Cutting a chord of length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now see here, see once. Suppose this is a circle which we are going to find, and this is a chord, and this is a center minus 2 comma 3. We don't know the radius now because I don't know the circle, no? So we don't know the radius. But what I know is I can find D because center is there, line equation is there. 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now, see here, given center minus 2 comma 3, let D is equal to perpendicular distance from minus 2 comma 3 to the circle, minus 2 comma 3 to the chord 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. That is D equal to perpendicular distance from the point to the line. That is 3 into minus 2, 4 into 3 plus 4. Under root of 3 square plus 4 square. means D equal to -6 plus 12 plus 4 by under root 25. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 minus 6, 10 by 5, which is 2. See, I got D value as 2. We got D value as 2. Now, what he has given is length of the chord. Length of the chord 2 into under root of R square minus D square is given as how much? 2 he has given. Means both sides 2 gets cancelled. R square minus D square equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. R square minus D square equal to 1 square is 1 only. D I know how much? 2. So R square minus D is 2. 2 square is 4 equal to 1. Means your R square equal to 5. See, I got the radius. Actually, radius R is root 5. But anyway, equation of the circle, how we are going to find? Therefore, equation of the required circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to R square. X minus, what was the center it was given? This is your h comma k minus 2 comma 3 and radius R is root 5, but R square is 5. Is it clear? Minus 2 comma 3, no? Then this becomes plus 2 y minus 3 whole square equal to 5. Now please expand this. Plus 4x y square plus 9 minus 6y equal to 5. X square plus y square minus 6y. 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 5 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. Now that is your answer. Is it clear? So, 2 different kind of questions we did. That is when length of the chord we are finding, or if length of the chord is given, then circle equation you have to find. These are very 2 important questions, okay? See, we can't guess 4 marks very correctly. And nowadays 2B, already you might have saw in your March exam, is not giving all important only. Is going out of that important questions also. So learn, do some more number of sums. That is very important. Okay. So right. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow short answers of circles as well as system of circles also, because you will have short answers from circles as well as system of circles, and system of circles you can do little bit easier way. Only 1 4 mark the weightage, but less number of questions, so that you can do easily. Okay, right then. Tomorrow we'll meet again.